Hi children, welcome to maths class. Okay, in the last class we learned Roman number 3. We finished Roman number 3. Now we'll go to the Roman number 4. So what is there in Roman number 4? Write in the ascending or descending order. Ascending order in the sense smaller number to the bigger number. See, from 1 to 10. It is nothing but a ascending order, means smaller number to bigger number. Descending order in the sense bigger number to smaller number, means 10 to 9. If we take from number 1 to 10, then ascending order is 1 to 10. Descending order is 10 to 9. 10 to 1. Okay. So what is the first example? So what is the first example here? 477, 873, 783, 580 and 986. So always we have to first compare number with from the 100 place. Okay, hundreds place here, which is a smaller number here. See, first smaller number is 4. So write down here 4. So first place, that is. So second one is 5. So third one is 7. So fourth one is 8. So fifth smaller number is 9. Okay, we'll start. So what is the first number is 477. Second number is 580. Next 783. Next 873. 986. So just now reverse it. So descending order in the sense bigger number to smaller number. So write this is as a first number. 986 is the first biggest number. So second, third, just reverse. 580. Then next is 477. Okay children, are you getting? So next example, 888, 808, 880, 80, 88. See, first always we have to compare from the hundreds place. See, all hundreds place 8 is common here. See, 8, 8, it is common. So now we have to go to the second, that is tens place. So here is a 8, 0, here is 8, here is 0 and here is 88. Okay, so here 3 hundreds are there. I mean 3 numbers are there. So this is hundreds and this is tens. So what we have to do? First we have to take from the tens column. See, we have to take 2 digits. See, here it is 3 digits. So here is a 2 digits. So first we will compare with the 2 digit number. So what is there here? 2 digits. So 80 it is. Here it is 88. So first smaller number is 0 in the tens place. So what we will write? So first we will write as a 80. Next 88. Now comes a 3 digit number. See, 3 digit number, it is 888, 808 and 880. So first smallest number is, compare in this. So 0 is the smallest number. So first we will write 808. So second, see 888. Here it is 880. See, 888 and 880. So both your hundreds and tens place are same. So now we will move to the units place. So units place, it is 0 here and it is 8 here. So which is the smaller number? So 0 is the smaller number. So write down here 880. Then last number is 888. Now what we have to do? We have to write from descending order, means bigger number to smaller number. So this is a bigger number here. Write down 888, 880. Next bigger number is 808, 88, then last. So 80. Okay children, it's very easy. Next, 415, 428, 409, 472, 447. So which is a smaller number? So first compare from the hundreds place. So hundreds place 4 is a common here in all the numbers. So next we will go to the tens place. So 1, 2, here it is a 0, here it is 7 and 4. So first we will take this is 0, is a first number here. Next 1, second number. So 2, this is third number. So 4. So 5th. Okay, it's very easy. See, when we compare from the 10th column, it is very easy. See, first one 409, 415, 428. Next, fourth number is 447. Next, it is 472. So now what we have to do? We have to write from a bigger number to the smaller number. So write from last now. 472, descending order. Next, which number? 447. Next, 428. Next comes 415. Last is 409. Okay, children. So these are the first 3 examples. See here. Have solved in the textbook. So these 3 are the homework for you all. Question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 are the homework. Okay, children. Next we will move to the next topic, that is framing numbers. So what is the framing numbers? So here is the 10 cards of equal size. So what is the 10 cards from 1 to 9? From 0 to 9 they have given a 10 cards. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So they have taken a 10 cards of equal size and prepare a place value table. Okay. Of place value table on the floor or write on the paper has shown and put them in a box. Okay, so all this number will make it as a square box. So each number paper has a square box placed on the table, and it is each number has taken in the box. So what we have to do? So we have to do an activity now. Which activity? So we have to pick the 3 cards from this. We have to pick the cards. So after picking the cards, we got 3 cards, that is 3, 1 and 7. Okay. So among these 9 cards, I have picked the cards. We got first is 317. So the biggest number is 7. Biggest digit is 7. And the smallest digit is 1. So biggest digit is 7 and the smallest is 1. So now what we have to do? Now write the greatest number in the hundreds place and the smallest number in the units place and remaining in the tens place. So biggest number is 7. So what we have to do? We have to write hundreds, tens and units. So according to the instruction given, so we have to write the bigger number in the hundreds place. So which is the biggest number here? 3. 3, 1, 7. Which is the biggest number here? 7. So smallest number is 1. So remaining number is in the tens place. So now read 731. Okay, children. Next, what is there? Then remove the cards and keep the smallest number in the hundreds place. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to remove the smallest card and we have to keep in the which place? Hundreds place. So we have to keep smallest number in the hundreds place and the biggest number in the units place, then remaining in the tens place. So what happens now? Read it. So 137. So compare now 731 and 137. So which is the biggest number here? The greatest number is 731. So greatest number is 731 and the smallest number is 137. Okay, children. So this is your activity 1 which is there in the textbook. See. This is your activity 1. See, first we have taken the numbers in the box and we have put in the box and we have picked the three letters, 3 numbers. Okay, that is we have picked 317. So what we have done? We have selected the bigger number and the smallest number. Among that we have written biggest number in the hundreds place and units place. Okay, this comes your biggest number and this comes your smallest number. So after comparing, we got the biggest number, greatest number is 731 and the smallest number is 137. So this is your first activity. So what is your second activity? Take out the three cards from the box. For example, see, they have picked 490. See, second activity. In the second activity, they have picked 490. So they have written in the different various types. See, 490, 409. So they should not be repeated in the sense. So tens columns, it should not be repeated. Number should not be repeated. So we can write 490 in many ways here in this way. So this is the number. After this, they have written the biggest number and the smallest number. So this is your second activity, children. Okay, exercise we'll do in the next class.